Well, it appears it's supposed to be working, because I got that one down flat, the on and off, it's flat on, and I got the gas up, so it should be on gas. If I push it down, the auto light kicks on. So yeah, I got the generator running right now. I don't know, it should be running off gas though, because them buttons are down and up. So I don't know. Let's take a quick peek here. I believe that's the one. I broke it yesterday. It's so brittle. Got ice all up in there. So I don't know what the hell. Oh. Stay there. I don't hear it running though. That's the thing. This. Is that hot? Oh wait. Ooh. That's warm. Very warm. But I don't see it lit up in there. I don't know. I tapped on this thing a little bit, and this thing, and the pipe here. That's the propane coming in. I don't know. We'll just have to see. It's kind of warm right now, so it should theoretically be running. Now that one's for the furnace, which doesn't work either, but I don't care. I've been using the burners for 8 years now. I don't know. Well, I hope that doesn't have anything to do with it. What is that for then? Well, that should be for the stove, right? Yeah, I think so. Ooh. Alright, let me try to put this back up. One up. Alright, good enough for now. Fucking broke that thing right off. I'll have to glue that back together or order a new one. Alright, y'all. At least the sun's out today. Look at that, huh? Still chilly though. So food will stay in there until I figure out if that refrigerator's working or not. So yeah, let the generator run. Alright, y'all. Peace and love. Stay warm and safe out there.